Hi there, Colleen Adrian here. I was recently reminded of this quote by Gabor Maté, and it goes like this: Children don't get traumatized because they get hurt. Children get traumatized because they are alone in the hurt. And I wanted to share it today because often as parents, we believe, although usually it's subconscious, that we need to prevent our kids from getting hurt or that we need to rescue them from it. And we often do that quite automatically. And it's totally normal to want to prevent our kids from being hurt because, hey, we love them. But I want to remind you that the most important practice you can engage in as a connected parent is being fully present with them. And holding space for their experiences, and especially the painful experiences or emotions. And in some ways, that can be simpler than trying to figure out how to fix it or rescue them, right? So it's your presence when you're fully grounded and regulated, or as grounded and regulated as you can be, I should say, that really helps them to process the experience in the moment and to come back down to a regulated state so that they don't carry that emotional wounding forward with them into their future experiences. And sometimes what that requires is that we do our own healing work. And the reason for that is because if I'm not comfortable with a particular emotion myself, let's say, for example, grief, then I'll be more likely to try to automatically fix it or rescue my child. And I'll be less capable of staying present and just simply holding space for that emotion when our child is trying to express it. So curious about how that lands for you. And I'd love to hear from you. Pop a note in the comments below if you feel inspired. Thanks for listening.